welcome back to part 2 of the YouTube tutorial on TubeBuddy. And in this tutorial, we are going to start off with how to use TubeBuddy for your playlist and end cards and your other things like that. So saying that, let's get started. As you can see here on the TubeBuddy, we've already gone over the tag list and the thumbnail part. So now we're going to learn how to put it on your playlist. On the right hand side on your thing, when you edit your video, it will show you playlist. If you click it, it will have it all the way down. And as I said, in this tutorial, I am using mine that I am revising to show you how to do it. So you can see here, I have it on my networking one and on my uploads. And then you hit the done. And that one will bring that up there. And then we're going to go to the next one. So let's do that. Once you do that, that puts it on your playlist. Now comes to when you go down into here, where you can see underneath where it says get a like on Facebook. Hit the share tracker. That's what this is right here. And in order to, these are all the links that you can do. So you would click on the Facebook one, and once you shared it to Facebook, you would get a check mark. Same thing for Twitter. You share it on the, you click on the Twitter, it will go to your Twitter page automatically, and when you share it on there, it will give you a check mark in the rest of them if you have them. Okay, so saying that, that's how you share them on your social medias with TubeBuddy without having to copy and paste and all that other stuff. So after you do that, now we're going to learn how to put in cards in your video, which is very important. A card helps people to keep on your channel and entices them to watch another video. So when you do that, you're going to click here where it says add card, and when you do, this is what's going to come up. This is what's going to come up. As you can see, when I click the card, it shows a video, a playlist, the channel, a poll, or a link. My links I do not have enabled, but you can put a link in there if you want to enable it. I use a playlist because I want them to either watch a video or watch a playlist. So, saying that, let's show you what I'm talking about. Okay, here's where it says upload or playlist, because that's what I clicked on. And you're going to go and you're going to choose what one you want. And I'm going to show you that right now. Here you see this is the one I chose. It is highlighted. Once you highlight it, you click the where it says create a card, and when you do, this is what's going to happen. It's going to show up right here. Now I put my pointer here on it so you could see what it was, and this is going to, when they click on that little eye, it's going to bring them to the video I want to watch, which it shows right here. Now on the bottom, you always want to click down here, okay, where it shows, because when you click that, it allows that to be used as a card. So we're going to place this back where it was here, and we're going to move on. So now that you put a card, now we're going to put an end card. What you added before was called an info card. Now this is an end card, and it's going to go towards the ending of your video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on element, and when you click on the element, this is what's going to show. You're going to get either the video playlist again, the subscribe, channel, or link, just like before. Okay, so knowing that, they show you right here, your choices, most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose a video or playlist. And I chose this one. Once you choose it, then you're going to hit create element. when you hit create element, this is what you're going to get. Okay, you're going to get your list again. And from that list, you see I picked another one that I want them to watch. It will highlight it when you click on it, and then you hit create, and this is what happens. Okay, when you do that, now that's here. Now I'm going to add another element. You can add another one, like they said, you can have more than one here. Okay, see it says 1 of 2. Now also you want to make sure the same thing. You want to make sure you click on the bottom here so you can also use that video as an end card. Okay, so when you do that, we're going to bring it to the next one. You see I hit the subscribe. So we have another networking one that I want them to watch in my subscribe button. Now you'll have to move them around because when they put them in, they put them on top of one another. And then once you've done that, you hit the save and then that's done. So now this is another thing you can do on TubeBuddy. Okay, you can do the video topic planner, which is you write down all the video topics. You can have this go all the way down. You see, these are some of my topics I want to do, and I have them here. And you can put in some notes here on it, and then when it's done, you click here, save changes. And if you want to add, you just add a topic, and it will show a new one, and then close. Okay? So these are all the features of the paid version of TubeBuddy. The free version, okay. Also on the paid version, it shows you the best time to publish your videos. It shows it here. You can go on this and it will read up on it, which will help you to know when to post your videos so they get seen more. Okay, now we have the price plan form, okay? This is one I'm using. Like I said, it's not very expensive. It's $9 a month. That's it. $9 a month. It's not that much. To start, it's $19 a month, and then the Legend is $49. I only use the Pro. Okay, and next I'm going to show you all the benefits of all of them. Okay, here you see the free. Okay, what it has and what it doesn't. Okay, the free doesn't give you end screen templates. It does not give you card templates. You can't do sunset videos, and you can't use this other one. Okay? Now, on the Pro, which is one I have, you can do the end screen. You can do the card templates, but you cannot do sunset videos, which I don't mind not being able to do that, or the last one. Okay? As you can see with the Star and the Legend, you can do much more. It's just a matter of what you want for features on what you do. Okay? So that's TubeBuddy in a nutshell on how to use it for everything. It goes right along with your YouTube. If you're using Chrome, you can put it on your Chrome extension and it puts it right there.